This is the last video, alright, for this class. So for this video, you're going this one, you're pretty much here.
It's more like the
this one.
gas mask.
This one. And remember the principle for angles. Remember that angles, you need to remember that angles are measured from here. Angles are measured from 0 degrees, 90, 120, right? Angles are measured from here in a anti-clockwise direction, all right? Remember that? Yeah? All right. Yeah. All right. So go ahead and start it. Start this one.
First, I do
this
a circle, which is 5. Answer. Wait, is it 5? It is 5.
Bring the book closer to you. Guess what's going on?
Oh. What am I doing?
I don't know.
Right. Good lines. 40. Should be 10. Now draw this line, which is very tricky for you. 40. Tucky. 60.
Good job.
Great.
Good going. Yeah.
I have 4 coughs. Now, this circle should be 5. Now, we draw another circle. It should be 10. Space bar. 9. 10. No. It's 20. Space bar to reactivate.
Let's bring my point home, guys, that children, they learn AutoCAD best when they're much younger. They're way more receptive to learning this. They catch on to it very, very quick. Very, very quick. Very, very quick. These are C6 type quick that he's doing. And he's just 8 years old.
Book.
He's just 8.
And that's
Remember to read the command bar.
circle specify radius of circle. Push enter.
Oh.
And then what's your radius? Specify radius of circle. Radius should be.
Oh, the radius is right here. This is radius. I know it's a little crowded. This one up here.
40.
Yeah.
It should be 40. Under.
Yeah. Great. Good job.
Now we need a TR. No. And there you go.
Look to see if you have everything. Look on the drawing. Look on the drawing.
You look for
Yours look exactly like what's there. What's missing?
This? No, wait, that's stay.
Look on the drawing. Look on the drawing again. Ensure that you have everything.
This shouldn't be.
Something is missing. Look on the drawing, bro. Look on the drawing. Look on the drawing. What is missing? What is missing?
This one.
Go ahead and do your thing. You'll soon figure it out. Go ahead. You'll soon figure it out. Look on the drawing. Look on the drawing. Focus. Look on the drawing. Does this drawing look like yours?
No.
What is missing?
Hey, this.
What is missing?
No, I clicked.
Why did they trim the your accent? You have to be careful when you move the mouse, bro. See, you touched the wrong thing. Right? Press undo. Press undo. You have to be careful how you
That's
using
true.
that mouse. Alright? Oh, you realize.
Oh, sorry.
It look like it now?
I don't think
Alright.
so.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Oh yeah, I think so.
So let's go ahead and clean it up now. Let's go ahead and trim it to ensure that it looks just like that one there. Yeah.
That kind of looks great, right?
Yeah, it's good. Be careful not to make accidentally click where you don't want to trim.
I need
So
to
look
trim.
on that and then look on yours and see what needs to be trimmed. A little trick. Zoom in some more and trim these parts first. Trim these parts first.
What?
Yeah,
This
these
one?
parts. Yeah, trim those parts first. Like those parts.
Oh.
One little trick. The parts closer to the end. Yeah. Trim those parts first. I wouldn't trim there. I would trim. Look on the drawing. Look on the drawing, bro. Look on the drawing. Look.
The head looks perfect.
Be careful. Right? Pay attention.
I don't need.
Why are you focusing on those?
I'm trimming.
Okay.
I need that. I'm erasing all. Alright.
Alright, what do you think? I guess when you have more experience, look on the drawing, look on this.
Wait, something's missing.
And look on yours. What is missing?
Should be.
No more circles there. Look on the drawing, bro.
I'm looking straight that into its eyes. Am I blind? Or
Look on both of them and see what you
Okay.
have like that other drawing. Look on it.
I
Look
don't have
carefully.
this.
Okay, so take it out if you don't have that one then.
God.
Exactly.
I was doing that.
Yeah, escape it. Naeem, look on the drawing.
Oh my god.
Look on this, and look at yours and see what you have. See what is on your drawing that's not on this drawing.
Wait, so this. So do I need a trim?
Exactly, you need to do some trimming right there. Remember, it's best to trim from the corner here, my boy. Trim here and there.
Does that look properly like that? I'm blind. Bro, it was that?
Look on the drawing. Look on it still if you look just like yours. Look on it. Look. What you have on your drawing which doesn't exist here. This piece right here.
I know.
Yes, I delete it
I
then.
can't.
No, you won't be able to delete it. Escape. You cannot delete a line if it's not it hasn't been intersected by some other line.
Delete?
Yeah, delete. You have to delete those. Delete. Yeah.
Okay.
Add dimension to it now.
DIM.
So when dimensioning, bro, change to your layer.
Oh,
Change to the correct layer first, the dimension layer, remember.
which is outline.
Dimension line, is dimension you're doing? Oh, outline. But
I'm supposed to
let's
use
use
MA.
match property. Why not use match property?
Yeah.
So go ahead and do it quickly. You're taking too much time with that drawing.
Do I do this one?
Look on the drawing, don't ask me.
Yes.
You're gonna highlight everything that is in red. Only what's in red you're gonna highlight. You're gonna put in outline.
No, not that one.
Only part in red.
Alright.
Okay.
That should look good.